Hi guys, how are you? This is Dr. Jaskiran. Today I am here just to make the lives of women more easier than before by taking or by presenting Presto kitchen tissues. So guys, women spend three or four times a day in the kitchen, so her life would be more easier with such things I am presenting to you. This is Presto kitchen tissues. This is highly absorbent, strong, thick. Sometimes we often get messed up in the kitchen now by taking the water spills and by taking filthy countertops, tops, kitchen tops, countertops, and obviously the kitchen floor, moreover. So obviously our lives would be more easier if we use such type of things along with us in order to make our lives more easier, and in order to present ourselves a gift from the market, that is the kitchen tissues, which are highly absorbent, strong, thick. So it is now I will tell you what is this. So these are absorbent tissues, as I have already told you, and it contains 60 pulls in each tissues. I got buy one get one, so I got two tissues out of that, because on daily basis I have a lot of um, a lot of time to be spent in the kitchen, but in the previous videos I have already told you how much time do I spend in the kitchen. So with that little amount of time I need a lot of sophisticated things and gadgets uh, through which I will make my life easier. And it contains 60 pulls, 2 rolls, 2 ply. Means two set of tissues attached together each other. So with these tissues, these are quite portable, as well as quite useful to us. These can be used for many purposes, not for the single. So this is more over a multi-purpose thing, which I will tell you how. This is Presto kitchen tissue made from 100% natural virgin paper, so it will never hurt your hands as well as your kitchen tops, countertops. It is free from optical brightening agents, OBAs, highly absorbent tissues that soak up spills quickly. So as I have already told you about the wet and wipes, so this is you can serve that purpose also with these wipes. So, but these are disposable, and that you can use over and over again on a consistent basis, that I have already shown you about the wet and wipes. But this is disposable soft touch tissues which can be used as table napkins. So you can replace your table napkins with this also, safe for contact with food. You can also wrap the food in this, and you get your work done. You can wrap the chapatis in these. You can serve it as a bloating paper for soaking the fried food into that, and then serve the food directly. Otherwise you can also carry it on the plate and place the food over it, oily food over it, and it will soak the extra oil again and again and again and again. Especially this product is useful in winter. So for me, and I should say that this product will be useful for each one of us too, because in winters our hands are too sensitive to touch with the cold surfaces, as well as cold water. When we put our hands in the cold water, we need to dry them thoroughly, otherwise we may be caught by cold and cough easily. So since because of low immunity of ourselves in winters, so Presto tissues ensure you to dry your hand quickly, thus prevent you from getting wet for the longer time period. So with Presto tissues you can make your life easier in winters. Especially you can quick dry your hands and getting the things done. So this is also my personal experience. User, you must buy this in order to make your life easier. Unless and until we use a product, we can't make ourselves sure that this product is good for us. So kindly give it a try, just in order to make your lives more easier. Thank you. Like and subscribe.